Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the driver door control module, guys, that's a computer that controls everything in the driver door, including power mirrors, power windows, central locking. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located and we'll explain why it's super important to test them as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge Challenger that we got not too long ago, we'll be rebuilding, and right here you have a fuse box under the hood. Doesn't matter which engine you have, guys. You can see that fuse box is here, but you don't have a fuse for the driver control module on this side. You actually, guys, have it hidden. Okay, and let's explain where it is. You can see that car was in a little bit of an accident, so we need to replace the fuse for that door as well. We're installing soon new doors, so let's explain that now. Okay, if we come right here and come to this side, you're going to see in the trunk, right under the trunk cover, where your spare tire and car battery is located, you have one special box. That's a fuse box. You're going to press that thing towards the inside and open it. Okay, just like that. You can see it comes loose like that. Now the fuse, guys, that we need to actually check is, before we talk about that, let me tell you why it's super important to check fuses and test them, not to just look at them, because through the glass sometimes you will not be able to clearly see if there is a problem. And if you think you have a good fuse but it's actually bad, you will spend time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So always test them. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. Also, if you replace the fuse and you still have a problem, stay with us, we'll explain what else could be causing that. But the fuse that you need to check, okay, will be, if you start from the right side with these square fuses, even if you have an empty space, you're going to count it. It's that second fuse here, or from left will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9 from left to right, or second from right to left. But it's also known as fuse number F10. So you just go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull it out. You can see just like that. I'll go ahead, grab the new one, replace it. If you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, if it's not that causing the problem, what else it could be? Let me just explain now. You have a body control module, guys. That's the computer that controls the body systems. You have a driver control module for the door. And you will need to, guys, use a scanner that can access practically every computer system in your car, and this is a great scanner for that price. It's our favorite scanner that we use here, OBD2. It works on any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system. It can read the lead codes and see live data, which makes it super powerful. With that tool, you need to access the computers, read the codes, reset everything, and that most likely will fix the problem. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.